mess? And are you tired of going to your local RC shop to have them weld you or solder you something that doesn't really look any much better than this? Well, I have a solution here. Here, I have a brand new 5mm bullet connector, and these are for your 10 scale 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive buggies, stadium trucks, short course trucks, whatever. So I have a little jig that I've molded up here. Take your bullet connector, take the groove, face it towards you. Simply just stick it right down in there like so. Push it all the way down in until it maxes out. Once it maxes out, you've hit bottom. There it is. Boom. Take your wire, make sure everything's nice and straight. Put it in there like so. Push your wire down onto your connector. Open up the jig a little bit. Push the wire down in there so it can hold it in place. Boom. Take your soldering iron. Take about 10 inches of solder here. And honestly, you can just go crazy with this. You can just puddle it up nice and thick, because it doesn't even matter. Because watch what you're gonna get in the end. And this is a result that you get every single time. Oops. Push that back down in there like that. Looks like my wire came out a little bit. There we go. Just like that. So my wire popped out a little bit. It's the first time that's happened. I've done this 6 times total now. First time the wires popped out right there, but as you can see, I took my iron, just pushed it onto my puddle, forced it down, pushed the wire down, took my soldering iron off. So this is the end result that you get here, and this is the result that you get every single time with this little jig. Take the jig, flip it over. I'm just going to use a little drill bit here. Push it out. This is the result that you get every time. Well, there's some shit on it, but